Strapi V5 is just around the corner, with the release date set to the second quarter of 2024, but the beta is already available. Would you like to test it yourself? The setup process is really straightforward. Simply open up your terminal in the directory where you want your new project to be created and execute this command. And that's all there is to it. Once you've created the first admin user, you can explore all the new features such as draft versions of published content, the document service API, and much more. Don't forget to review the V5 documentation, which is still in progress, for new information on how to utilize these new features and understand what has changed. Should you migrate to Strapi V5? Well, as of today, while V5 is still in beta, the documentation strongly advises not to migrate your projects from V4 to V5, especially for production projects. Anyways, we will try to migrate one of our production projects just to see what needs to be done, and we will share the lessons learned in the next video.